fresh in the mail. That 3WP came. Fresh in the mail. This is what I was using. Got this. This is hard. It's like medium soft. You see my ham down there? That's rock dollars. Now we're gonna see what the 3WP looking like. Right. That's right. Oh, we got that little curve. We got that curve like we need. We got that curve like we need. We got that point. You know what I'm saying? For that crown. Right. We got that handle. Right. 3WP. I fuck with them. 3. Right. Now let's see what she do. Yeah. Trying to get my secret just now. You know. Now let's see how much better this is. Ooh, the feeling of this shit is just, yeah. Shouts to 3WP. This shit gold right here, boy. This brush, it's like this. The shit fit the fucking your head no more. Shit fit your whole head. Ain't too soft. Good pull. What I read was it's good for when you wolfing and when you got a cut. You know what I'm saying? It's good for that crown work too. You need that crown work with your mirror brushing. Get your mirror brushing going on. And get your crown work. Yeah. Looked it like that. She's looking kinda alright. She's looking kinda alright, right? I ain't know my shit was like this, like just though. Niggas say, yo, your shit is like that. But it was like that before this brush, so let's see what this brush do. You know what I mean? 360 wave process. Good for the crown. We get the crown, the shit shaped nice. Do what it do. It got good pull. My shit a little wolfing a little bit. It's still pulling. I guess they call this a medium hard silver edition. Get you more.